Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights and a backup because removing encryption modifies file security. Open File Explorer, locate the encrypted file or folder, right-click and choose Properties. Once in Properties, click Advanced to reveal the encrypt contents to Secure Data checkbox so you can see current EFS status. Make sure to close other programs using the file, otherwise Windows may block attribute changes. This step prepares the system and prevents accidental data loss while you alter encryption settings. You now uncheck Encrypt Contents to Secure Data in Advanced Attributes and press OK to begin. When prompted, choose Apply Changes to this folder, subfolders and files if you need recursive removal, otherwise pick this folder only. Windows will decrypt files using your EFS certificate, so if you see a certificate prompt, export and back it up first because decryption relies on that key. Once done, the system converts file data to standard NTFS permissions, which is why the certificate step matters for recovery. You finish by verifying the change. Open Properties and confirm the Encrypt Contents box is unchecked. If decryption failed, make sure you have the EFS certificate or restore from your backup. Without the certificate, the data may remain inaccessible. For many files, use the built-in cipher. exe/d or run PowerShell to decrypt in bulk, which speeds the process. If access errors persist, check permissions and run as administrator. Those fixes resolve most stuck or permission-related decryption problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.